So, good morning, sir. I am Joelyn Bautista from BSIT3C. And today I will show you or present to you, sir, my redesigned prototype management system of Leia Aban's inventory management system. So, I will show her design first. This is her inventory management system, and this is mine. First, I changed her screen layout into Web 1920, and then I added colors on her backgrounds. I also added an admin products for her inventory and for users. So this is for the admin page, the first four, and this is for the user page. I added login page, registration page, home page, products, cards, profile page. So and I also added hover state for dashboard products on the navigation bar. Inventory, users, and then log out. And it will proceed into login page, register, sign in. So yeah, and then sign in. On the user page, I also added hover state on its navigation bars. Home, product page, cart page, profile page, then log out. So that's my redesigned inventory managed system of Leia Aban's work. That's all, sir. Thank you.